Schöne macht Albert ab. Ist nicht mehr Schiffe, ihr Stusser. Ist nicht gerne so, das. Ist nicht gerne so, macht.
What it do, YouTube? CFX here, back with another video. And what I want to talk to you guys today about is things that I wish I knew before I started trading, or when I got into trading, or things that took me a while to learn while I was trading as well. So I feel like this is something that a lot of new traders need to hear. People who have been trading and probably still haven't realized it yet, and things like that. How important the small details are in making you either profitable or not profitable, and making or breaking your account. So I definitely want to start off with some things that I wish I knew before I got into trading. And the first thing that I do want to talk about is be expecting to lose money. When we see Forex traders, or you see people on social media who are traders and showing their profits, that's really all you about see. You really only see about their profits. A lot of people don't know how many daily lessons they take or daily losses they take in their portfolio, and how many trades do they really lose, because we really only see the profits. Now, a lot of us don't know that most of the time beginner traders are gonna blow their account, and it took me a while to realize that, because like I mentioned in recent videos, when I first joined, I was just on a high. Honestly, like, I was just winning trades after trades. I was profitable, and then when I blew my first account, that was when it hit me. It was like, oh, this is just beginner's luck, or that was just beginner's luck, because then it just came back to back. I just kept blowing accounts, and it was because, for one, I wasn't growing mentally, but also I wasn't educating myself and things like that, and I just kept on thinking like I could do what I was doing before to make me profitable. But honestly, that was, like I said, just beginner's luck, and it does not always work. You will have to educate yourself and things like that. So definitely be expecting to lose money. I'm not going to say be expecting to blow an account, because it does take a lot of it takes a lot to blow an account. Actually, let me take that back. It really don't take a lot to blow an account. If you're not disciplined enough to trade when you first start off, you're definitely going to blow your account very easily by over leveraging or over trading, whichever one. Or just taking trades that you know you shouldn't be in. Like, if you have a $100 account, you shouldn't be in NAS, things like that. Or Bitcoin at that, honestly, because it's very, very volatile. And, well, I guess you could say depending on which broker. Let me just say, you shouldn't be popping on 1.0 lot size, or standard or micro lot size, you know, with a $100 account. So that's first thing first. Be expecting to lose money, and yes, it's gonna suck, but that's the thing about trading. Most of your lessons that you learn trading come from your failures, truth be told. At least for me, that's how it was. And I know a lot of other people that I've spoken with and used to trade with and stuff like that, that's pretty much how it was for them as well. Most of the things that you learn are gonna come from you making mistakes. And that's why a lot of people suggest, getting mentors and learning from other people, just so you can avoid the mistakes that they have made and you do not have to repeat them. So most of your lessons that you learn from trading are going to come from mistakes, and as long as you learn from them properly, you shouldn't repeat them again, and it's definitely going to help you further along in your trading career. So that's definitely why I say, get a mentor. It doesn't matter who it is, as long as you're able to trust them and they're able to show you like, hey, I can help you get results that you want to get, and I can give you the knowledge that you need, so therefore you can become your own profitable trader. Now, it's kind of hard to find people like that, honestly. It's kind of hard to find people who are actually profitable and can actually teach you how to trade, and not just somebody who is just trying to get you to buy their course or sign up with them. So definitely do your research on that and take your time, which leads me on to my next point. Is it's a process. You do not want to treat it like a get rich quick scheme or a side hustle. Those are people's biggest mistake when they start off trading. They try to get rich quick and they also treat it as a side hustle. I'm gonna be honest. When you really get into trading and get to really understand it, the gist of it is actually pretty simple and easy. But when you are first starting off, it is not. You will have to put in the time. You will have to watch the videos. You will have to put in the practice. You will have to back test your strategies. Things like that. Like, we make it seem easier than what it is because we have been doing it for a while. And I haven't even been doing it for a while. I've only been doing it for a year. I'm still a beginner. I am still considered a beginner in the trader's world. So that's why I say do not rush your process. Do not think you're going to be making $100,000 within your first year or your first 6 months. It's not going to happen. Do not even really be expecting to make $1,000 within your first year on a consistent basis. Now, I'm not saying it's not possible, because I have made $1,000 in a day before, and I still haven't reached my year mark yet, but it doesn't happen like that for everybody. You have to put in the time. I have put in the time to learn and educate myself and grow. So that's why I say do not rush it. Just take your time with it. And if your process just so happens to come faster than everybody else's, then congratulations for you. But if you know you are a slow learner, it takes you a while to comprehend things. Look, do not compare your chapter 1 to somebody else's chapter 20. Because you don't know what they may have went through. You don't know how many accounts they have blown to get to that point to where they can make that much money in a day. So do not try to rush your own process. Do not look at who's around you and the amount of money that they are making. Just focus on your portfolio, your accounts, and your knowledge. And then if you want to get to the point of where they're at, then learn from them. You know, nothing is wrong with asking for advice in this business. I promise you, nothing is wrong with asking for advice. Now, if you want to go learn on your own, well then, you probably want to figure out what they are doing and then go research it and learn about it on your own. But just do not rush your process. And then the last thing that I do want to talk about is demo accounts and live accounts. So my problem was I tried to compare my demo account to my live account. And they are two completely different things, because it is a difference from it is a difference when you're trading with fake money and when you're trading with your real money. There's a huge difference. Now, I'm not saying, don't go trade on a demo account or use demo accounts. Demo accounts are perfect for back testing your strategies or seeing if something works or not. It's perfect for that. It's perfect for practice. But do not think, okay, I just made $1,000 on my demo account. Let me go do that on my real account now. It doesn't always work out that way, because I'm gonna be honest, your emotions do become a part of your trading when your money is involved. That is the thing. That is basically what I'm getting at. Your emotions do become involved when you are trading with your real money. So do not think you're gonna behave the same way and react the same way when you're trading on your demo account versus your live account, because you're not. I promise you that you are not. So that's pretty much what I just wanted to go over for this video. I really hope it helped you guys, and especially for my new traders, I hope it put you guys in the mind frame of, okay, this is where I need to be at. And I will be dropping a part 2 very, very soon after this. So I will go over more details of things that I wish I knew when I first started trading, and wish I understood quicker than when I did, because a lot of stuff, it took me months to learn. So if I would have known that within like the first month, the first 2 months of when I first started trading, I would be in a way better off position than where I am today. I promise you that. So that's really what I want to talk about for this first part. And then, like I said, I'm going to drop a second part right after this. And for my traders that are already in the community and have been trading for a while, if there are some things that you wish you knew that you want to pass on to young traders or new traders, definitely drop it in the comment section and help them out as well. I really want this to be a community to where we can help a lot of inexperienced traders and people who are looking into trading grow. I really want to help other people grow with this, so if you guys could just drop some things down below, that would be great. And you guys already know what to do. Comment, like, subscribe, turn on those bell notifications, because we're going to grow as a community, and I promise you we're going to hit that next level together. So let's continue making money, let's continue educating ourselves, and let's build our way to financial freedom, man. I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. I'm out.